Welcome to 2750 Southwest 46th Court, located in Summit Crest. This home is 2,470 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, sits on a 9,148 square foot lot, built in 2017. It has central AC, gas heat, a triple car garage, awesome layout, beautiful mountain views, very private backyard, and it's in a very nice cul-de-sac in one of the premier neighborhoods in Redmond, with access throughout very conveniently, close to the airport, but not even near the flight path. Also, the access to 97 for getting to Bend is fantastic. Great location, beautiful home, perfect condition, ready to move in. Moving through the foyer, in the great room area straight ahead, you can see the natural lighting is fantastic. 9-foot ceilings, a ceiling fan, quartz counters, under cabinet lighting, the all-important single bay sink, beautiful view out to that very private backyard. Gas fireplace, huge pantry behind that barn slider, gas range, and this is a breakfast bar with the island. The laminates are in great condition. Understairs storage. One thing that's great about this floor plan is the full bathroom over here on the way to the garage. That's the door to the garage. The full bath with tile floors, tub shower combination. Just a really cool layout to have that down on the main in case somebody wants to use that office that's maybe mobility limited. They can use this space and have a bathroom, and it's actually the 4th bedroom. Normally a beautiful view through those windows on a clear day. You'll see some of those pictures. Really well set as an office. But again, you could put a Murphy bed in here, use it as an office and a bedroom, and have somebody not have to go up and down stairs that's visiting, or maybe staying with you that would rather not go up and down those stairs. Great main floor layout, beautiful condition, absolutely turnkey and ready to go. Up on the 2nd floor, looking over there to the west, that was the bonus room. Moving over to the primary, just a huge space, gorgeous mountain views on a clear day, and I'll stitch that view in when it's not hazy. But that's Klein Butte, and then normally Three Sisters right there, and you'll see that view with stitched in snow-covered mountain views. It's a king bed, fitting easily into the bath with tiled floors, double vanity, quartz counters. Soaker tub, obscured glass so you don't have to use blinds. Tiled shower. Has the fiberglass basin, so it's easy to keep, leak-free, but the rest is tiled. Linen storage, and the water closet that closes and has an obscured glass window. Good natural light, great privacy. Primary having the ceiling fan is always nice. Primary closet, large and very well organized. Both guest bedrooms upstairs. This one fits both twin beds very comfortably, with a dresser in the middle. You can put a queen bed in here if you like, but these two twins fit very nicely. The two guest bedrooms upstairs. Guest bathroom with the quartz counters, tile flooring, tub shower combination, obscured glass, always nice to have in your bathrooms. Onto the utility, and then into the utility room. Same nice tile floors, lots of storage, space for a folding table, thermostat there, some hall storage, and then moving over to the bonus on the far west side of the home. Beautiful views through those windows of the sisters and the entirety of the Cascade Range for this part of Oregon. Again, just a little hazy today, but this bonus space is awesome. Great natural lighting, really good flexibility. So you could have multiple little areas being used up here. Second floor layout in this home is nearly impossible to beat. Standing in the garage, looking into the two-car bay area. Both sides have garage door openers. The door out to the backyard. 8-foot tall doors. There's the electrical panel for the house. Room for your fridge, freezer, chest freezers. And then the door into the house. Awesome space, good natural light afforded through the windows on the garage doors. Great height too for storage in totes and organizers. The water heater. Just ideal. Now in the very private backyard, walking under the covered patio with fan and lighting. Privacy back here is excellent. Very quiet, protected from the prevailing winds. Good morning light. Some great planters over here. You get good southern light, allowing for good production for all of those vegetables. As those trees grow up, the privacy will increase, and those aren't anywhere near your view. More storage, room in back here for a storage shed if somebody would want, that's even larger than that smaller plastic unit there. The door leads into the triple garage. the perfect oasis to enjoy the Central Oregon outdoors.